Hello children, shall we start the new session? Yes, it's our picture talk station. What is it? Picture talk. Yes, picture talks, right? Yes, pictures also talks. What do they say? Let's see. See children. So today our topic is our house. What is the name of our topic? Our house. And in that we will study the things we have in our living room. Okay? Things which we have in our living room. Okay. First of all, let me tell you about the house. House? What is a house? House क्या होता है? Yes, it is a place where we all live. We all stay. है ना? आप सब रहते हो ना? आप सब कहाँ रहते हो? You stays at a home or it is called as a house. है ना? जहाँ पर आप लोग रहते हो उसको कहते हैं house या home. Yes, so it is our house. Okay children? Yes, see, this is my house where I stay. You also have your house? Yes, and it is a place where we love to be. घर पे रहना अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes, घर पे रहना सबको अच्छा लगता है. Yay! So, you have your house, I have my house. So, everybody have their own house. So, today we will talk about our house. Okay? See, what is this? House. Where we stay, we live at. Where we wake up, we have food, we play, we sleep, we watch TV, where we stay with our mom, dad, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, our sisters, brother. We live there? Yes. So, this is a house. What is this, children? This is a house. Yes. Okay. See, now what is this? This is also a house. The house has different parts. Right, children? है ना? घर में अलग अलग parts होते हैं. The house has different parts. What are those? कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं हाउस में? एक होता है किचन. किचन में क्या होता है? मम्मा मेक्स अ फूड देयर, राइट? मम्मी खाना बनाती है ना? यस, मम्मा मेक्स अ फूड इन द किचन. यस. देन नेक्स्ट इज अ लिविंग रूम. लिविंग रूम होता है विच वी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इट एज अ हॉल. लिविंग रूम में क्या होता है? लिविंग रूम में we sit over there, we watch TV, and when guests come to our home, they also sit in the living room only, right? Yes. Then there is a bedroom. What we do in the bedroom? We go to sleep in the bedroom, right? We go to sleep in the bedroom. Yes. Then there is a bathroom. There is a bathroom. Right. What we do there? We bath over there. Right? Yes. So, here you can see this is a bedroom. This is a living room. This is a bathroom. And this is a kitchen. Right, children? Yes. So, we have these parts in our house. Kitchen, bathroom, living room and bedroom. Yes. Today in this session, we will talk about a living room. हाँ, हम लोग सिर्फ लिविंग रूम के बारे में देखेंगे. हाँ, what are the things we have into the living room? लिविंग रूम में हमारे हॉल में क्या क्या होता है? What are the things we have? कौन सी चीजें होती है? Let's see. Okay? Yes. What we have into the living room? We have cupboard. Yes, we have cupboard over there. See, what is this, children? This is a cupboard. We keep clothes or other things into this. Yes, this is a cupboard. What is this? What is this? This is a newspaper. This is a newspaper. Right? We read newspaper. Yes, to know the news into the world. Right? To know the news of the world. Right? So, there is a newspaper. What is this? This is a table. This is a table. We also have table into the living room. Right, children? What is this? This is a table. What is this? What is this? Hello, hello. What is this? Telephone. Right? What is this? Telephone. You call with the telephone or mobile phone? Yes, we also can see telephone or mobile phone in our living room. What is it? Telephone. What is this? What is this? This is a sofa. This is a sofa. What you do here? You sit over there and you lie over here. Right? You lie on the sofa. You relax on it. Right? You sleep on it. You sit on it. You watch TV by sitting over here. Right? टीवी देखते हैं सोफा पे बैठ के, सो जाते हैं, बैठते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं. You like to sit over there, right? Yes. What is this? This is a lamp. This is a lamp. Table lamp. What is it? Table lamp. It gives you a light. It gives you a light. Yes. Now, what is this? What is this? TV. Yes. You watch cartoon on this, right? You love to watch it. Yes. This is a TV. Television. What is it? Television. Yes. We found it in, we see it in where? Into our living room. Living room में होता है ना TV. And remote. See, the remote is also there. Remote. Yes. What you do? You like to have your channel. Your cartoon channel. Yes. Doraemon. And Shin-chan. Chota Bheem. Yes, you love to watch it, right? Yes. So, what is it? Television. Or you can call it as TV. Now, see what is this, children? This is, what is it? It is DVD player. It is DVD player, right? There is a CD, round CD. You put into that and you watch whatever you want to watch, right? Yes, what is it? DVD player. Yes. What is this? Tick tock, tick tock. What is this? It is a clock. It is a clock. In the living room, on the wall of the living room, you can see a clock. What it says? Tick tock, right? So, in the living room, we have a clock, right? Which tells us a time, right? Yes. What is this? Fan. What is this? Fan. Yes, in living room, you have fan. You see fan over there? Living room में आपके fan होता है ना? Yes. It gives us air, right? So what is this, children? This is a fan. Now what is this? What is this? Flower vase. Flower vase, right? Vase क्या है? There are flowers into it. We keep it into the living room to make it more beautiful. So our living room looks more beautiful when we keep it there. Right, children? Yes. Now what is this? This is a curtain. This is a curtain. Curtains, right? You put it onto the windows. Windows पे लगाते हैं ना ये curtains, है ना? Curtains लगाते हैं हम लोग windows पे या doors पे, है ना? Yes, these are the curtains. These are the curtains. Yes. Now what is this? This is a window. This is a window. Right? This is a window. Right? We peep out from the window. Right? Yes. So, and we put curtain on the window. We put curtain on the window. So, this is a curtain and this is a window. Yes. So, all these things we can see in our living room. हमारे लिविंग रूम में ये सारी चीजें रहती है, right? Yes. So, see, look at this picture. This is a living room. देखेंगे हम लोग इसमें सारी चीजें हैं in this living room. Yes. Let me show you all these things over here. Okay, now see, what is this? Let us revise it again. What is this? This is a fan, right? Then what is this? This is a cupboard. Very good. Yes. Now what is this? Tick tock, tick tock. It's a clock. It's a clock. What is this? The favorite one. Television. Television. And down there onto the television, it's DVD player. It's a DVD player. Here you can see the table. Table. And what is there on the table? It's a telephone. It's a telephone. Okay, one more table is here. You can see, right? On that table, there is a flower vase. And you can see the newspaper. What is it? Newspaper and flower vase. Right? Yes. What is this? Sofa. What is it? Sofa. There is a lamp on this table. Lamp on this table. So it is called as table lamp. Right? See, the window is there. Window. Window. And what is there on the window? What is there on the window? It's a curtain. It's a curtain. We put a curtain on the window? Yes. So, living room. What is it, children? It is a living room. All the family members come together over here. सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स सब लोग आते हैं ना लिविंग रूम में, सब आके एक साथ बैठते हैं. राइट? इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज हॉल और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कॉमन रूम. है ना? वहाँ पे सब लोग आके एक साथ बैठते हैं. चिट चैट, वॉच टीवी. राइट? यस. ओके. सो now we will see some questions. Let me ask you some question. Okay? Ready for it? Yes. First question is, what do you like to do in your living room? What do you like to do in your living room? What do you like to do in your living room? क्या करना अच्छा लगता है आपको लिविंग रूम में बैठ के? I know that. Yes. Watching TV and playing, right? You like to play in the living room. You like to lie on the sofa and watch your favorite cartoon. I know that. I'm right? Am I right, children? Yes, I know. Okay. Next is, with whom do you like spending time in your living room? With whom do you like to spend a time in your living room? आपको किसके साथ अच्छा लगता है लिविंग रूम में बैठना? Yes, with your mama, with your papa. Yes, and with your friends. Yes, with your mama, papa, and with your friends, with your family members. You like to be with them, right? Yes. Okay. Next is, can you identify the things in the picture that you have in your living room too? Now, this is your activity. This is your activity. What you have to do is, you have to find these things in your living room at your house. You may find some things and you may not find some things. Whatever things you find, you should recognize it, right? Like on the wall, there you can see the clock. You can have a sofa, fan is there, television is there, right? So you have to find these things in your living room. Okay, children? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session. Bye. Take care.